Hello and welcome. My name is Master Merwa Inkari. I wanted to share with you about Soul Song, sound of heart and soul, as Master Shah calls it. I'm honored to be a worldwide representative and a divine channel of Dr. and Master Shah. One of the teachings that he has brought to us at this time through Soul Wisdom, which is the title of a book where he introduces a healing tool called Soul Song, Sound of Heart and Soul. So every human has a soul. Every animal has a soul. Every soul has its own language, its own song, and its own movement, and its own dance. This is not a song, movement, and dance and language like we know that we learn the routine or we learn to follow the notes or read the notes. No, nothing like this. This is our innate healing tool. So it's a tool for healing, self-healing, as well as healing others. Every person has a channel for the song, for the movement and dance. It is about opening this channel through the chakras and through the central channel. When we open this channel, the sound, the movement can flow through and come through, and we can use it for healing physical conditions, emotional conditions, mental conditions, relationships, business, finances, our children, to increase intelligence, and much, much more. So this is a tool that is available and accessible for absolutely every single person. Even if you've never sung or tuned a note, even if you've never taken a dance step, because it's not about the technical skill. When we receive and open and release the sound of our own heart and soul. So everybody has this. Everybody has the possibility to release this for yourself. I found this so incredibly exciting when I first learned the wisdom, and it was very simple. We teach others how to do this, so you too can learn it. You can learn how to open the channel, you can learn how to release your sound of heart and soul, and then how to use it every day or whenever you feel like it. Because we actually serve, we connect with heaven, we connect with Mother Earth when we release and use our sound of heart and soul. So here is a sample for you. Make a wish, make a request for yourself. Whatever you would like healing for, or a blessing. If you'd like a blessing for your relationship with one of your loved ones, make that request. If you'd like that for your heart, for your kidneys, or for your finances, or for your business, make that request now. Take a deep breath in. Close your eyes, because when you close your eyes, you're more in tune with yourself, and you close all of the external stimuli. I will turn on a particular blessing for you, and I will open my sound of my heart and soul to give you the experience. All you need to do is simply relax. Open your heart and soul and relax. how is like an affirmation. It means perfect, get well. So while I say no previous experience is not needed, this can also be for somebody like you if you are singing in a choir or you sing. This can help to open your channels further and wider and take your singing to a different level, different capacity and depth. You can connect with us. You can find our events on drsha.com/events, Australia and Sydney. Or you can call our customer service 1-300-33-96815. That's 1-300-33-96815 and ask about the sound of heart and soul. We would be only so happy to serve you. Have a wonderful day. Love you, love you, love you.